Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we have the zombie buffalo for trade, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to enter this, basically this trade away. All you gotta do is hit the notification button, and, did this person just say my name? Whatever. Okay, so, the only things you need to do is hit the notification button and and actually just, what is it? Oh, and comment down below your Roblox username so I can friend all of you, and I'll choose one lucky winner that gets the zombie buffalo. You guys can give me like a common item, really whatever you want, but you don't have to trade me anything important to you. Honestly, a girl just literally said my name right here. Well, it's not no, it's like a whole Katrina. Thanks, Katrina. Someone said, I don't know if they're talking to someone else, but then this dude is like, thanks, cat, whoever. Cat smiley face. I don't know, but anyway, so you basically just comment down below your Roblox username, and I'm gonna draw one lucky winner. Anyways, so I want to see, you see, my brother actually tipped me like a couple hundred and got me to 100 or 401. So we're gonna go to the donut shop, and I'm going to make a full-on donut parlor up here. This is the first class dining area, and downstairs is gonna be the pizza dining area. So we'll make it kind of that direction, I guess, and then we need to bring this out more so then we can actually fit a chair in here, you know, guys. We want people to have like their foot space. We want this to be a luxury at its finest right now. This will be luxury at its finest, literally. Exactly, luxury at its finest. That is what we're trying to do. And wait. So we'll put one over here, I guess. Sorry guys if you hear background noise. I'm just gonna bring this a bit closer, I guess. But it's pretty, yeah, that's pretty good. That's good enough. Or wait, maybe we can do that, and then it would help us. So we can move it like that. That works. There's a hole in the table, though. Is there glass in the middle? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna buy a donut table. Put it there. And let's put a donut lamp on that, like on top of it, just for the fun of it. We'll have to change the positioning, obviously, because it's not. Ugh! This is so annoying. It will not go in the center. No. Okay. Oh my god. We want it in the middle. You know what? Fine. We'll leave it there. You know what? We'll just put it there. And now, then I can do seating. Here. Or wait. So it's a bit fancier. We'll do this chair. Small donut chair. That's cute. And then another small donut chair here. These donut items are so helpful when you have like a donut and pizza shop. Because that's what I want to do, because that's how I'm going to earn my new amount of Adopt Me bucks. That's how I'm going to earn them, is when I want to. I'm just gonna go to my shop house, and this is what it's gonna be like, and I'm gonna sell stuff to people. And we shall add a nice donut table here, or the donut table should go over here. And then we gotta bring it to the very corner part. Sorry, losing words, they're not working today. We will do that after. We'll add a kid's seat just because we know that children are gonna be here. And, you know, we'll just add a donut rug in for the heck of it right over there. And we're gonna change the color of all of it. But there's a donut bed now. Donut craft table, no. We don't need that. We might need that in the future, but not right now. So we'll put another one of these in, I guess. Because, yeah, why not? And yet again, another donut lamp. We'll just buy a couple of these and just like set them down on the tables. Wherever. Just kind of smack dab there. Huh. Oh yeah, this table needs a donut lamp. Why does it do that? Okay. Goodbye. I'm sorry. But that's not gonna work today. I have other things to do as well. I'm just gonna set it like this. 'Cause why not? Okay. That's there, whatever. Okay, for now, that is pretty good, I think. We will add a casual seating over here, though. We need to move that window over now. And we'll add some casual seating, like this. Because we need to have as much room for the customers we can, so that way people pay not to work here, but so people pay for food here. It's a restaurant. I gotta have... Okay, I'm sorry that's like awkwardly close to if it's a stranger, but I wanna see this place packed with all my fans. Just packed. Absolutely. Just insane. I want to see all you guys come check this place out. Comment down below, guys, if you would come here. Will you guys come? Let me know in the comments. Whoever comes, I don't know. Whoever comes, I will pay a couple dollars back later. You know, like after you guys pay me. You guys, you know what? You'll get half off as fans. The donuts are usually $2, but I'll make them $1. Just because you are my fans. And you know, you don't just make your fans pay hundreds of dollars for, you know, food. You know, this isn't Gucci food. It's food. That's all. But so for now, we can turn off these lamps because it is kind of bright in here. We'll just turn those off. And now to change the color of everything. Because, yeah. We'll make this light blue. We'll make this a purple. Because why not? We'll make this piece that color. We'll make this donut lamp light yellow. because why not? We'll make this one this pink. We'll make this, no wait, we'll make this chair, we'll make this chair a, I don't know, we'll make this chair light green. We'll make this chair light purple. We'll make this lamp light blue because there's no light blue lamps for some reason here. We'll make this one light pink. We'll make this chair light purple again. Or no, we'll make the two chairs light pink. This one, to be exact. Yeah. But I want to put many, many different colors in. We'll keep that one like that. But this is like the Pastel Donut Shop. Yeah, we'll call it Pastel Cat's Donut Shop. Yeah, Pastel Cat's Donut Shop. That's what we will call it. Okay. Now we can turn on the donut lamps. Because this store is now officially in business right now. But so yeah, guys, I guess this is what it looks like now. This is really exciting, and I'm so glad that it looks like this. So, we're going to call this place. So, I'm going to go here. I'm going to let's put WELCOME. Welcome. Here, let's put our microphone down. Welcome to no wait, sorry. Pastel. Nope, that's incorrect. Cat. Welcome to Pastel Cats. Welcome to Pastel Cats. We're gonna say hi. But you know what, guys, for now, that's gonna have to end it for the video today. Anyways, bye, guys.